I've accumulated quite a few things from PR, so let's do a PR haul. I got an insane amount of stuff from Amika. They never cease to amaze me. Starting with the Kure line that they have. They sent me pretty much everything from that line, starting with the shampoo and conditioner. These smell amazing, like all of their products do. Next, we have their multitask repair treatment. This is really good for chemically treated hair or bleached hair, or very like, if you're someone who applies a lot of heat to your hair like I do, this will be good for you. I'm really excited to try this. I've never used this, but I have used some of their other treatments. Next, we have a hair mask. I love hair masks, and theirs are so like thick, and they really do what they say they do. So this one is, of course, the Kure. This is an intense bond repair mask. I love any bond repair products. They're really good and they work really well on my hair, so I'm excited to use this one. I really love this green packaging. It's so cute. Let's open her up and smell her, because I love to smell everything. Just as I suspected, smells amazing. Next, we have the Wizard. This is their detangling hair primer. I like to use this prior to applying heat on my hair. It smells amazing, and I love the spritz on this. It like really distributes well. It's not like those other spritz where it'll just shoot straight out. It's very spritzy, if you know what I mean. Next, we have the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This is one of my favorite dry shampoos, and I always need a restock, so this is great. Next thing is actually one of their newer products. This is a hairbrush. I'm really excited about this because you could never have enough brushes, especially the tangling brushes. And this one is so cute. It matches their logo really well, and it feels nice. It has like a matte design, and it feels very similar to one of my favorite brushes, which is the wet brush, which I really like, so we have to put her to the test. Next, we have their blow dryer brush, which I'm so excited about. I will be throwing out my Revlon right after this video and replacing it with this baby. I cannot wait to put this to the test. It'll be great, I know it. All of their products are so good, especially their hair tools. I have their waver and it works so well, so I have no doubt that this will be amazing too. I'll probably do a video solely on using this. Stay tuned.